Hello, thanks for watching the video. Today I'm with the Toyota truck here. This is the 22R 1985 Toyota pickup, and went out to start it yesterday, and I'm going to kind of revisit what happened here. So I'll go out to try to start it, and I try to start this about every week or so, and it started up and then all of a sudden it died, and I tried to restart it because I thought it was cold, so nothing. Actually, I was getting just a little bit of a buzz here, but no fuel pump or no cranking whatsoever. This pertains to a 79 through 85 pickup, or the 84 through 95 4Runner. So immediately I thought it was battery situation. So I checked the battery here and was getting like 12, almost 13 volts here. Thought, well, okay, it's the connectors here. So I actually took the connectors off, cleaned them up, tightened them back on there really good, and checked those, just the connector, and I was getting like 12, 6, 8, almost 13, same as the battery here. So with my situation, it's pretty obvious. We've got a sketchy wiring going on here. It's been that way for years. So I thought, well, maybe there's something going on here. But the main thing really to look out for, if you have that situation, it may not be the ignition switch, it may not be the battery. In my case, it was the wiring, but it may not even be the wiring. What you really need to look out for is this fusible link here. It's an 80 amp. And right here, if this goes bad, you're not going to get anything. And you should be able to look at through the window here and see if it's connected. And you can kind of see that mine is. These things do not come right out. You can't just pull them out. They're pretty inexpensive. I've seen them for like $4, and I think the Toyota OEM is around 16 or 17 bucks. But here's the main wire, and you actually have to go underneath here. Don't know if I can. Yeah, I really don't know at this point how to get that out. I'm sure there's videos on doing that, but I think you might have to unbolt some yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to see that, but yeah, this thing does not just come right out. But anyway, there's probably videos on getting that out. Mine was not necessarily that fusible link there. I've got this, here's that main wire, and mine was just kind of rag-tagged on here with the wire nut. I think the wire nut was kind of corroded in there, so it wasn't really getting continuity. But yeah, I need to redo this wiring, but just to show you kind of. Yeah, so before you go to great measures thinking that it might be a coil, it might be igniter, I think that's igniter over there, or a lot, the ignition switch. Check that. check that fusible link there, the 80 amp fuse. As you can see, I just put the wire nut back on, so we should get an easy start now. You can hear so I hope that helps somebody out there. Again, 80 amp fuse. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Take care.